Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. Today, I'm going to show you how you can customize a theme on Shopify so you can make your online store a unique representation that truly reflects your brand. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a more refined store look, this tutorial is going to be for you. And so let's jump right into it. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel and head on to Online Store. As you can see on the left side of your screen, Online Store is listed down below, and once you select it, you're provided with some options. Themes is going to be the option that you're going to select in order to proceed to customize the theme that has been applied to your store. When you're starting out as a default, Shopify provides the Dawn theme. If you're able to work with this theme, you can select Customize right next to it and proceed to adjust it as per your preferences. However, if you would like more advanced themes, you can also go through the free popular theme lists down below and select the one that really resonates with the product or service that you're providing. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to select the Sense theme and proceed to click on Add to have it added onto our theme list. And now that the theme has been added to your theme library, you can proceed to select Publish and confirm by selecting again Publish, and that's it. You will have it applied onto your website. Going on forward, the next thing you need to do is to select Customize so that you would be able to have the editing dashboard open and you can work from here. To aid with the customization of your homepage, the theme editor is structured into sections, which makes the customization process very easy. And on the left side of your screen, as you can see, you are provided with the different portions of your whole website. You'll find sections like the announcement bar, the header, the image or text that are included within the website, featured collections, and also get the chance to add more sections onto the website. And last but not least, you can review the footer or the ending of the website. With this in mind, it makes it very easy to spot the exact section that you want to edit and work on to make the specific adjustment that you are looking for. For this demonstration, we're going to start by editing our header, adding a logo, and making subtle adjustments such as brand colors. To do this, you can go ahead and select Theme Setting and proceed to click on Logo. This is going to provide you with a section to upload a logo for your website. Once you've selected the correct logo, you can proceed to click on Done, and that's it. Your logo will be successfully uploaded onto your website. By adjusting the toggle underneath the logo, you can make changes to the size of your logo on your preview website. Following that, to make changes to the next section of your website, you can simply select the section that you want to edit, and you will see that you're able to add an image to this section. By selecting a more detailed or informative image, you could click on Done, and that's it. You will have that image previewed on your website. As you further navigate this section's content, you can see that there is a text included, and you can adjust the size of this text by playing around with these settings and making sure that it is as per your preferences. Another essential aspect of customizing a website involves color. In order to adjust the color of your website, you can click on Theme Setting. And once you are on this setting option, you can select color, and this provides you with the presets of colors that are within this theme. By selecting the scheme that's better suited to your brand identity, you can make further adjustments and change the color of your theme. Background is going to allow you to change the background color, and background gradient is going to allow you to adjust any gradient component within your website. If you'd like to make changes to the specific color, you can go ahead and select the specific hue or color that you would want to be displayed, and that will be automatically applied onto the website. Going on forward, solid button labels as well is something that you can change, and all these items are adjustable, so make sure you play around with the colors and make them specifically well tailored to portray your brand identity. Next up would be adjustments to fonts. By selecting typography, you're able to preview which fonts are being used in different sections of your website. Here, you're able to select a font that best suits your brand identity, And by doing so, you can also adjust the size of the font that is within your website. After having made all these changes, you can proceed to add sections to your website to make it more presentable. By selecting Add Section right underneath Template, you're provided with the different options of sections that you can incorporate within your website. For instance, you have the ability to add a video, blog post, collage, image banners, or text. For this example, we're just going to add an image banner. And by selecting image banner, we're provided with a section of a banner by which we can add an image that's suitable for our website. By selecting image on the left side of your screen, you can initiate the dialog box from where you can add an image from your computer or from your saved files. Since we already have a saved image, we can select that image and click on Done, and this will automatically populate onto our image banner. And that's it. With these settings, you can go ahead and further navigate more options and adjustments that you play around with to best suit your website. And once you're done, you can click on Save on the right top side of your screen, and that will have your website customized successfully. To review the customized website, you can select on Exit on the left top side of your screen. And with that, you can proceed to view your store by clicking on View Store. And here we go. So this is the customized website that we had been working on, and make sure to adjust every little detail as per your brand identity and your preference so that you would have the output that you want. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.